Hello students, good morning all of you. Previous class you have learnt activity 1, 2 and 3. These three activities are reversible changes. Next we discuss activity 4 and 5, 6. Okay? Take the same balloon which you used in activity 1. Blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. What happened? It's burst. Okay? And next, activity 1, we take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it does not burst. The shape and size of the balloon have changed. Let the air escape. The balloon again come back to first position. That is the reverse change. But in this activity, take the same balloon which you used in activity 1, blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. What happened? The balloon burst. Okay? So activity 4 is the example of the irreversible change. And next, activity 5, take the same piece of paper which you used in activity 2, draw an aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. So an aeroplane cut out of paper. This is the one of the example of the irreversible change. Okay? And next, activity 6, roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Look at this figure number 6.5. Look at this figure number 6.5. So these three, activity 4, 5 and 6, these three activities are irreversible changes. Okay? Suppose you are asked the same three questions which you answered after activity 3, what would your answer be? No. These three activities, activity 1, 2 and 3, these are the reversible. Okay? And activity 4 and 5 and 6, these three irreversible changes. Okay? We see that the changes which have occurred in the activity 4, 5 and 6 cannot be reversed. Activity 4, 5 and 6, these three activities are cannot be reversed. Okay? You use a pencil and an eraser with repeated use, their shapes and size change. Can we reverse this change? Non-reversible changes. Okay? You use a pencil on an eraser with repeated use, the shapes and sizes change. We write and different purposes we use the erasers and pencils, and repeated use their shapes and sizes change. Okay, this is the one of the example of the non-repeatable change or irreversible change. Okay, I understand. You must have seen a potter working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? These two will be different, as when we are shaping a lump of clay into the pot, it is a reversible change, as we can easily change the shape of pot. Again, whereas baking the pot is an irreversible change, as once it's tough, again we cannot change its the shape. Okay, children? And some common changes are given. Table number 6.1. Look at this table number 6.1. These are the some common changes. Okay. So first one, raw eggs to boiled egg. can be reversed? No. Butter to idli? No. White cloth to dry cloth? Yes. Woolen yarn to kittened sweaters? Yes. Grain to its flour? No. Cold milk to hot milk? Yes. Straight string to a coiled string? Yes. Bud to flower? No. Milk to paneer? No. Cow dung to biogas? No. Stretched rubber band to its normal size? Yes. Ice cream to Melton ice cream? Yes. Okay. Look at the some changes. Some are reversed and some are irreversible. Okay. Are you understand? Thank you all of you. Next class we discuss. Next class we discuss activity 7. Okay, children. Thank you.